Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration bypass. So I will put about u equals to sin x. So if I do first the derivative for the both sides, you got about du equal to cosine s ds. dv we have e to the power of negative s ds. The integration of this one, you got about v equals to negative e to the power of negative s. So we have u multiplied by v minus, but we have the negative sign in here, so you got about positive, and we have the u multiplied by v, and you got about e to the power of negative s multiplied by cosine s ds. We continue use integration bypass, but now this one is about cosine s, this one is about negative sin s. Now the integration of this one, we have u multiplied by v. Negative with negative, you got about positive, but we have another negative in here, so you got about positive, and we have the integration du multiplied by v, and we know that everything in here, negative sign here, we know that everything in here equals to this integration. And now we put this one go to the right. This one plus this one, you got about number 2. And later that we divide both sides by number 2, and we got the final answer. And we put about c. Now we can do about the factorization of negative e to the power of negative s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.